the news are Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP. Also joining me, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, scientist, political commentator, Suhail Seth, columnist, marketing guru. Also on the show tonight is Professor Anwar Pasha, national spokesperson of the RJD, Abbas Haider, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. But my first question goes to Dr. Sanjay Jha, suspended Congress leader, author, political commentator. Sanjay Jha, why is the opposition just so much in nervousness mode just because the Prime Minister is going to the Dhyan Mandapam in Kanyakumari? It's the silent period. He's done it before. He's not speaking to anybody. The fact of the matter is that after a grueling campaign season, and this year the heat, not just in campaigning, has been high, even gods have raised the temperatures a bit higher this year than ever before. Why is the opposition in such a twist about this 48-hour meditation period for the Prime Minister?
Navika, good evening. I think the opposition's basic issue is very straightforward and uncomplicated, Navika. I don't think anybody has any objection and cannot have it. There's a fundamental right to go and meditate or do whatever people like once the campaigning is over. But Mr. Modi has this tendency, if you look at his past track record, that he does everything with a massive, the camera crew all around him, which the opposition believes becomes a form of indirect campaigning. And the truth is, and we all know it, that if anybody understands the camera better than Mr. Modi, I don't think that person has been born. I mean, there are enough fun pictures and memes that tell you how he even pushes away somebody if that person obstructs the camera view when Mr. Modi is sharing a stage. But I think the fundamental question is larger than that, Navika, which I think is when you showed your first graph, you showed Mr. Modi has done 200 rallies and Rahul has done 70, etc. But I'll tell you what's interesting in that figure that you put out. If you add up for all the opposition India Alliance leaders, they have done over 500 rallies as compared to Mr. Modi's 200. You see, the problem and the reason why the NDA is likely to lose, and Mr. Modi is no longer going to be a prime minister very shortly, you will have an India Alliance prime minister, is because the NDA's entire campaign is about BJP, and the BJP has been totally consumed by Mr. Modi. It's a Modi ki guarantee, not a BJP ki guarantee. So I think Mr. Modi is doing all the heavy lifting. And I think anybody who's seen him through this campaign, Navika, his speeches have been so outrageous, so obtuse, so absolutely, in my opinion, shocking, that I think it tells you that he's diminished during the course of this campaign. And it will show you in the electoral results on the 4th of June.
Okay. All right. Very well said, Dr. Jha. But the fact of the matter is, if Rahul Gandhi is seen outdoors tomorrow at some point, I'm sure the cameras will follow him. So why are you in a twist? I don't understand. Cameras follow people. That's the job of cameras. They follow celebs. They follow politicians. And this is the biggest political occasion once in 5 years that has come up. So cameras follow. You think cameras will not follow Akhilesh Yadav, or they will not follow Tejasvi Yadav, or they will not follow Rahul Gandhi? Of course they will follow each one of these leaders. But वहाँ आपको दर्द नहीं है, आपको दर्द सिर्फ नरेंद्र मोदी का है. Number one. And if you're talking about the Prime Minister, Shehzad Poonawalla, didn't you just hear Tejasvi Yadav saying, 3 महबूबाएं हराएंगी बेरोजगारी? It's just the reference. महबूबाएं, you talk like this about the Prime Minister. Rahul Gandhi, इनका चमचा बोलता है, इनके चमचे बोलते हैं. He even refers to journalists like that. I'm just saying that is there anything to choose from and differentiate between the rhetoric this side or that, Shehzad?
देखिए नाविका जी, 7 phases of election and 4 phases of meltdown. The first phase of meltdown was against opinion poll. Second phase was against media. Third phase was against election commission and EVM. Multiple petitions went to the court. And now the 4th phase will be against the Janta itself. And they have already started by abusing the leader of the Janta, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But having said that, I cannot understand. PM is doing meditation. These people are in frustration. and PM is going silent, they are becoming politically violent. Now please tell me, मोदी करे तो करे क्या? जब शांत रहता है मोदी तब गाली पड़ती है, जब मोदी जी बोलते हैं तब गाली पड़ती है. अरे भाई इतने मौन रहने से भी आपको डर लग रहा है? मैं 2-3 सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं. I want to ask 2-3 specific questions. Today Sanjay Jha has said it is a violation of model code of conduct. Please tell me the exact specific provision which is being violated, because as far as Prime Minister is concerned, he is going to Vivekanand Rock Memorial. It is not a political event. He is not speaking to anybody. He is doing there because it is his astha. Somebody's astha may be to go to Bangkok. They can go and do the meditation there. Our astha is that we will go to the most important spot from the point of view of Sanatan Dharma, and we are doing meditation there. But I have one question to ask. On 26th of April, when Wayanad was voting, at that time Rahul Gandhi was a candidate in Wayanad, and he was doing the campaigning in Bagalka, Karnataka, and he got full media coverage at that time. And that was a silent period for the candidate of Wayanad. But at that time he was campaigning, and the media also gave him full coverage. So is he going to abuse the media, or is it going to be the fault of Rahul Gandhi? Look, then the next argument they make is that the camera should not be taken there. Now please tell me, in the age of social media and the age of mobile phones becoming so cheap that every person now has a smartphone, 80 crore smartphones are there, 200 more mobile phone manufacturing companies are there thanks to Modi ji, and internet data is down by 90%. Anybody can take a video of Prime Minister Modi even if the media is not there. Actually, what is this all about? This is actually about the Sanatan Virod of Congress party now taking its most virulent form. Ram Mandir bekar hai, Sanatan समाप्त करो, सनातन बीमारी की तरह है, राम जी का अस्तित्व नहीं, राम मंदिर प्राण प्रतिष्ठा को बॉयकॉट करो से लेकर, now if a Sanatani wants to go and do his आस्था के अनुसार तपस्या or some kind of sadhana, the Congress party wants to issue fatwa on that also. So this is a mindset of anti-Hindu hatred that Congress party is displaying, that tomorrow if by mistake they will come to power, they will stop Sanatanis from doing tapasya. Now secondly, Sanjay Jha has a problem with the word mujra, but he has no problem with the word Vod Jihad. And Sanjay Jha, your neighbor Uddhav Thackeray, has also used mujra for Eknath Shinde. So if mujra is bad, it was not bad when Uddhav Thackeray used it. And in what context has this been used? This context is only this, that you have given the Muslim reservation after snatching it from SC, ST, OBC. Why don't you give it in writing that you will not do this? Isn't it true that you did it in Andhra, in Karnataka, in Telangana? Isn't it true that West Bengal government has also done it, and West Bengal High Court came down heavily against it? And Mr. Akhilesh Yadav said that I will do constitutional amendment to give Muslims reservation. So what is your view on this? Is this secular or is this common? And finally, last point, नाविका जी, देखिए ऐसा है, केवल मैं इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी अगर एक तपस्या करने जाते हैं तो इनको इतनी समस्या हो जाती है. मैं तो कहता हूं कि राहुल गांधी का जो आस्था का केंद्र है वो वहां चले जाए. मीडिया विल फॉलो हिम देयर. बट बैंकॉक में हो सकता है वो जब जाएंगे तो ऐसे कृत्य है कि कैमरा लाइव करने वाले कृत्य नहीं होंगे, इसलिए शायद वो मीडिया को साथ में ले जाना नहीं चाहते. अब वो उनका विषय है, मैं उसमें ज्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहता.
Personal lives of people, Shehzad Poonawalla, and I don't think the media is interested in that either. The fact of the matter,
they have got into personal life of Prime Minister.
Yeah, I consider this as completely
personal life
avoidable
है,
controversy. I completely believe that.
इनको महबूबा याद आती है.
Exactly, that is my question to Professor Anwar Pasha.
तो तेजस्वी जी